flies in your ears?
No, not right now.
Bugs on your arm?
That doesn't bother me.
If you walk like this, keep the bugs away from your face.
You look like a fag.
Not to mention, I'm catching the whole thing, Dad.
And if you post this on the interweb, I shall kill you.
Well, not you, particularly. Everyone on this walk.
Dennis, how would you like to get an inside shot of your colon? I'm gonna shove the camera up his ass. I got it. And then for light, I'm gonna shove Dad's trouble lamp up your ass too.
Trouble?
Yeah, trouble light. That's what
Actually, it's like the light bulb in it. You're trying to do the other day.
you gotta put the light bulb on there.
Like you.
Why is it whenever I want to catch something on video,
You always try and catch us at our worst.
I'm not catching anybody
You're like
at their
reality
worst?
TV condensed into one fat little man.
I'm not fat. I'm
don't
paper
want you.
thin.
Oh, look, Peanut, a bug. Look.
Hey, you walk right past Fuzzy Caterpillar.
Peanut, look. It's the
Put
same.
it on him.
No.
Put
Pat?
the bug on him.
No, because if they bite and they bite my baby, I'm going to hurt you.
Okay, I'll take that.
Ow!
Did he bite you?
No, peed on me.
Ow.
It was the only reaction.
Ow is not the right word for pee.
To get that, but you. Like I felt,
That's the
I
word
felt
for
its
pee.
butthole tighten too. It was a movement that I wasn't expecting. I forgot caterpillar shit on you and piss on you.
Look like something died on this road.
Well, it's modified nature, really.
Oh no, take the roll. Well, yeah, but here's the thing.
Have you ever seen that TV show when man is gone? What will happen to the
Oh yeah, that's awesome because I won't be there to have to suffer through that shit.
Oh, you won't.
Although scientists have developed a self-cleaning rock.
Really? Why would anybody want to clean a rock?
Dirt and stuff just either gets absorbed into the rock or it just comes off like all natural Teflon.
Why would anybody want to clean a rock?
Well, in nature, things are dirty, and we humans like things clean. We like clean rock.
Yeah.
And
Humanity abhors dirty rock.
all these flies are unbearable.
You know what? Some people like that too.
The granola people?
Health nuts.
I mean the Tashi people? Crescent band nature park.
A Dennis Billington production.
Do you have any bottles of water in this car?
Yeah, but they're one.
Oh, Tina, yeah, what about your other family? The ones that were here before him.
How are you going to give it to them?
I know how to give it to him. I've done it before.
In your hand?
Yeah. Right!
what it's worth, I'd rather be in an air-conditioned building.
I agree with you. Nature sucks. There's already a spider on our car. How fucked up is that? I'll take that. Okay. He didn't put his weight on this, did he? No.
I'll hold this. It doesn't need to be, he just wants to be. Hold on.
Guess we get to skier. What? I'm practicing my Swiss, heading over to Switzerland.
Oh, skiing?
No, to get an Emmy Cafe Latte.
What?
Yeah, it's Europe's favorite chilled espresso drink, and I must try it.
I'm not out of
I mean,
breath.
ik muss es versuchen.
Julie, you know you can just go to the supermarket, right?
Was?
Yeah, Emmy Cafe Latte is in the dairy aisle right here.
You mean I don't have to go to Switzerland to get an Emmy Cafe Latte made with the freshest milk and the finest espresso beans?
Not anymore.
So you're telling me I can go to the dairy aisle?
Uh-huh.
Get an ice-cold Emmy Cafe Latte.
Right.
And feel like I'm in a Swiss cafe without flying all the way to Switzerland?
That's right.
Oxen Glick.
Oh, Julie, cut it out.
Emigrate to a cooler place with Emmy Cafe Latte. Europe's favorite chilled espresso drink is made with the freshest milk, the finest espresso beans that comes in 4 flavors: cappuccino, mocha, light, and macchiato. That's made with fair trade coffee beans. Stop by the dairy aisle at H-E-B and Central Market for a ready-to-drink Emmy Cafe Latte.
You don't have to hold it.
Cowboys Dance Hall and Jordan Ford are proud to present Chris Cagle.
How do we know Peanut won't fly away?
You didn't take physics, did you?
Welcome Chris Cagle as he
I've
makes his
said that
return to Cowboys
as
Dance Hall and San
a
Antonio.
joke.
Did you? Or were you
Look at him.
concerned that he would fly away? Pat, look for your bunny.
Saturday night, May 22nd. Come enjoy a great night of music with one of country music's hottest stars as Jordan Ford presents Chris Cagle live in concert at Cowboys Dance Hall.
Guten Tag.
And be sure to stop by Jordan Ford, I-35 North at the Pat Booker exit, or online at jordanford.com. Cowboys, where the most beautiful women in Texas come to dance.
Meet Patrick and Peggy English, owners of the new Chevy Malibu.
My wife had been a Toyota owner for many years and thought she always would be. With the Malibu, we were able to get the safety along with the other features that was important to us. I would recommend it to anybody who is looking for a family sedan, high quality, good mileage, and very
Someone's
safe.
living here?
I'm very, very happy with the car.
Just $16,997. You can even buy a Jeep Wrangler for just $16,997. With every purchase, receive free 1-year identity theft services. That's at Sarah Chrysler Jeep and Dodge I-10 West.
We're lost, aren't we? No, the road's flooded down there. We can't go.
I'm Bob Harper from The Biggest Loser. Did you know that 49 million Americans have struggled with hunger? Let's all help feed America through the Pound for Pound Challenge. Every pound